Welcome everyone. My name is Dave. I'm one of the owners of Stock Sniper Trading. Okay, you saw my main man Ronnie trade the London session, but we're doing a surprise call right now because we know the FOMC news is coming up at 2 p.m. Okay, so I've charted gold here. Okay, all the way from a top down, from hourly, all the way down to 5 minute. Okay, it's on the 15-minute time frame right now. So I'm just going to take my link, guys. I got to send it to my group. Give me 1 second here. My man, always on the call, bro. What's going on? Give me 1 second here, guys. I'm going to drop my link. Okay, guys. So listen, all right, for guys signing on this, for guys joining the channel right now, all right, I want you to understand one thing. This is one of the most dangerous times to trade, guys. Okay, this is one of the most dangerous times to trade. Okay, it's going to be high volume movements, a lot of erratic behavior. Okay, so guys, just keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so if you don't know how to trade, okay, make sure you consult with one before you enter in the stock and forex markets. All right, we're here to provide just technical and fundamental analysis. I have more info in the description, so keep that in mind. All right, so with that being said, guys, this is FOMC. All right, FOMC is a red folder that happens pretty much every month. Okay, and you can see this folder right here will shake the market hard. All right. So, why traders care? It is a detailed record of the FOMC's most recent meeting, providing an in-depth insight to the economic and financial conditions that influence their vote to where to set the interest rates, guys. So this is interest rates. This is going to have huge, huge, huge impact on the market, okay? It may not have it right at the instant, right at the beginning, but over a period of time, guys, like you might have it, after the first candle, you might maybe a sell-off or a push, okay, and then we're looking to find that trend. All right, so just understand this, okay. But one thing, guys, if you could get this, I see there's 25 people here. If you could get these likes going right now, I want to get this stream like viral, okay. This is one thing that was really important. It's going to have a lot of movement, and I want to show traders this type of movement, because I have people who don't even know what FOMC is, right? So I want people to see it in the erratic behavior here. I do have a potential opportunity for a trade set up, okay, but again, this is not like, this is an idea. All right, I don't know what's going to happen in the market. All right, and a lot of the times what's going to happen is they'll realistically, if gold is trending like it is right now to the upside, okay, they found some resistance at 1785 area. They're starting to sell it off. Okay, so what might happen is they might get into this area right here. All right, what I'm saying is they might push it down here, and then when news drops, guys, it's either going to sink, okay, or this might reverse, and then within seconds, guys, I'm telling you, within seconds, this thing could pump right back up. Okay, this is one of the most erratic times to trade. So I'm going to just make a suggestion here. I put it in the group. You know what I mean? Maybe wait for the first candle, the 2 p.m. candle. Wait, okay? Wait for the 2 p.m. candle to kind of close, and then look to maybe enter the trade following it, okay? Because you're going to get a lot of erratic behavior, and you might not be able to react if you're trading, okay? So let's just wait and see here. Okay, it's in a sell at 1782. Okay, I had this charted top down from the call. I'm only going to trade gold today, guys. Okay, I'm going to do another live session tonight at 9. All right, and if we keep getting the subs that we have and the growth, okay, I'm going to go till like 1, 2 in the morning again, like I did last night. So, guys, we're grinding hard for you. Okay, we're hitting every session and red folder news. Okay, so that's what I mean. Just maybe show us some likes. Okay, show us some love, and trust me when I say we'll be here for you when you want to trade. All right. Okay, guys, so remember, I'm going to go over this right here, forexfactory.com, one of the best things you should be using for news, all right? 2 p.m., FOMC, that's what we're trading, okay? Extremely high volatility will come out of this folder, all right? So what I need you to understand is, do not look to maybe enter on the first candle thinking you're going to beat the market, okay? Remember that. Don't. Just wait and see what's actually going to happen here. It's in a sell right now because that was the call. I'm going to move this so you can start to see where my areas are going to be. All right. So when you're asking for opportunity, I'm not here to tell you when to take buys and sells on this. Okay. I'm showing you this live so you can see the erratic behavior of this type of folder. Okay. Because we have a lot of guys who are with, in our mentorship group, and then there's a lot of outside traders who they don't even know what FOMC is. They haven't seen it being traded during the market. During the folder release. We did a New Zealand trade, 2 days ago, and one candle, guys, within a matter of seconds, dropped 70, 80 pips, okay? The same thing with gold. I was trading an NFP folder live, guys, and the thing dropped bearish for 100 pips within the matter of literally under 2 minutes, under 1 minute, sorry, okay? This is no joke here, okay? So what I'm telling you is the first candle on market open, 2 p.m., maybe wait for the directional, maybe let it happen and then we'll catch the overall trend, okay? Because they might reverse it, they might pump it back up, which then we can look to actually for the trade, all right? So I'm going to tell you this, put it on here so you understand. And guys, if you don't like how this is, you want to buy and sell, copy and paste, find another channel, okay? That's not what we're about here. Just reminding you this as well, okay? We're here to help traders see how the markets move. Remember, guys, how I had this originally was the sell up here, okay? The only reason why I'm moving it down is because support and resistance, all right? So if you're new, that's where it was. I'm just balancing it out, waiting for the next big move to happen, all right? Perfect, okay? So this is on the 5 minute on gold, all right? You can see they push it down right there, right in that kind of roughly right here, this area, okay? Roughly around 1781, 1781.8, roughly a 7 pip area within that consolidation. So we're going to see if they're going to get a pump, okay, or if we're going to actually get a dump, okay? There's still 13 minutes left, so if anything's going on, you know what I mean, we're going to wait for this to actually fruition. The US 30 boys. I have my US 30 guys here. Okay, guys. Oh man, do I do it? Okay. All right, I'll do it for you guys. Give me a second here. Let me do a top down, and we'll chart US 30. Okay. They're really, you guys are making me work hard for this stream, eh? I have remember guys, this is on the hourly. Okay, so US 30 is going to get big moves regardless. I like US 32, guys. It's one of the most volatile things to trade, but if you can understand how to trade it, certain times of the day, slow, certain movement times, when the erratic behaviors are, if you stay away from those and practice proper risk management, you'll be okay for it if you, like I said, practice proper risk. So from the hourly down to the 30, okay? You can see we made a bounce here. They're starting to hold it right at that support. They're holding it here. Remember, this is a 30-minute time frame, guys. Key resistance at 35,360. Okay, guys. I'm only charting. All right, US 30 and gold. I'm not looking at anything else right now. I'm just going to be honest with you. So if you're looking for pairs, guys, you probably won't see them go on this until later tonight. Okay, at nighttime is when I trade pairs. Okay. Okay, guys, remember there's still 10 minutes left, 11 minutes. This is still in the 15 minutes, so they're good. Even this little area right there, guys, from there to there, that's 20 pips. So remember, we're trying to figure out where the overall potential opportunities are for good breaks, for continuations. But remember, guys, this folder is going to rock the market, okay? I think so. Like, I've been wrong before where this folder maybe has minimal impact until maybe a few hours later, okay? So we'll wait and see. But yeah, guys, I can see a nice little uptrend forming here. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can probably see the same thing. All right, so we'll see if it's maybe going to look up to get up to this area or if it's going to sell off. If you're looking to maybe go any kind of an entry, if you want to play it safe, real safe, guys, the key is right up here, would be your buy. All right, but if you want to, maybe get a little early entry. Okay, I'm not saying this is just me charting. Okay. Like I said at the beginning, look at the call. We're not financial advisors. Take trades at your own risk. Set up your own trades like this. But if you like the way we trade, we're looking at something like this. Okay, and remember, this is on the 15-minute. Nope, not doing NASDAQ. Not. I'll do NASDAQ tonight. Okay, on our other call. We're just doing some US 30 right here in gold. I originally just wanted to do gold, but someone said US 30 and I got a little excited. Okay. 10 minutes left, guys. This candle, yep, 10 minutes left exactly, under 9 minutes. Okay. So what we're looking for is potential upward trending continuation. Okay. If not, guys, it's going to sell off right in there and go into that area. Okay. All right, let's wait and see, guys. So I'm going to keep this on 15. All right, I'm going to go to gold. Gold is selling off here. All right, we'll drop down to gold on the 5-minute. You can see, but again, something that if it starts, guys, if it sells off to here, honestly, I see a potential like maybe a double bottom forming if they start to shoot reverse and shoot it back up. So you see how they're finding good support at this area right here. At the 1780 mark. 1779, this whole area right here, a lot of support. All right, they pushed up once, twice, 3 times, then they had a nice push. So they might push it down a little bit, okay, and then decide to reverse it when the news drops. Okay, so keep that in mind. A lot of times that's what happens. Okay, so we'll see on these we'll see, guys. I know how these things drop, but I just don't want to make it look excessive for you. Okay, like these things can drop. Like honest, I'm telling you right now, these news folders can come here and they can get all the way down there in a matter of milliseconds, guys. You know what I mean? It's no joke. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Be very cautious here. They're still holding it. I think this, guys, is really 1780 is good support, guys. I'm telling you right now, they might hold it to this area and then push it up, okay? Or they might just sell it right off. I'm still not moving my entry for the buy until up here, okay? Like I'm being real with you, all right? Because there's still a lot of resistance here, okay? $22 likes, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, remember we're doing gold on the 5-minute, all right? And then US 30. Okay, so US 30 has, that was done on the 15, but this is what it looks like on the 5, okay? We're in the area now, okay? So keep this in mind. Same with US 30. Don't get head faked out, guys. It's approaching the 200. It's holding above it on the 5-minute. But again, this thing can reverse hard, okay? And guys, like I'm telling you from the beginning of the channel, if you watch it again, all right? Why we're doing this is not to really, like we trade in the morning, all right? You know what I mean? And we trade at night. This is just a pop-up to show you guys what this folder is, okay? Like I'm telling you right now, this folder is erratic and not a lot of people maybe know what it is, okay? So that's why we're doing it, just to show you, all right? If anything that you take is completely up to you guys, you know what I mean? All right, so let's see if they're going to pump it or dump it here, all right? We have like literally, where's the time? 35 seconds left for this candle to close, and the next one's going to start opening, okay? Yep. Guys, everything right now, guys, all you guys chatting, for real, you guys are chatting about trades. I'm not looking to really enter into trade on the first candle either. I'm waiting for it to, you know what I mean, cool off. All right, so just understand that. If you're looking to enter it on like the 2 p.m. candle, that's on you, okay? Like that's not how you trade. That's, to me, like that's gambling in my opinion. You know what I mean? Because you don't know what's going to happen. That's waiting for news to drop. You can have the best technicals in the world and this thing can reverse. I've been part of it. I've blown an account on it. So, you know what I mean? Just be very patient. Very patient. If we miss like 20, 30 pips on maybe a buy, it doesn't matter to me. You know what I mean? I'm still holding this down there. The initial sell, guys, at 1782. All right, so let's see if they're going to hold some support here, if they're going to sell it off. Remember, guys, I have a zone right now of roughly 32 pips, okay? I'm not looking, if it's going to sell off, I'm going to show you that this was the entry right there, okay? The reason why I'm moving this down here is for the new traders, all right, that are just joining the channel so you can see what this is going to do. 5 minutes, guys. We have 4 minutes and 18 seconds here, okay? So remember, I think that's a better opportunity. Right there for a stop loss, okay, and that would have been the entry. All right, so that's what we originally had set up. Okay, I just kept moving it down. You can go back and watch the video, you know what I mean? It's up to you. If you want to keep it there and then you want to see what's going to happen, we can just let it play out, all right? But if you're in, guys, if you're in any sells, all right, what's going to happen is if this reverses, you're going to hit your stop loss, which would be roughly 1784. If you wanted to move to 1782, it's going to be a better opportunity if it reverses on you and does hit it, okay? That way you'll lose less, or just look to secure your profits right now, all right? Simply because like the market can pump and dump, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, so 3 minutes and 20 seconds, guys. I'm going to check this out here. Yeah, guys, we're not doing NASDAQ. I think Ron did NAS this morning. All right, we'll do it tonight, like I said, so stay tuned on it. We'll do NAS, US 30, and gold, okay? We had a really good session last night trading US 30 and gold, so we'll add NASDAQ to it because NAS made a nice bullish move last night too. So, yeah, US 30, risky buy for sure. Tim, yeah, epic fail. Let's see, man. I think it might be a huge opportunity for a sell too. Okay, but like I said, I'm not entering anything. We're just waiting for the news to drop. All right. Where's Ronnie? He does the morning calls, guys. We always switch. He just did a private session with our group members. So basically, yeah, I'm running it, and I'm going to be running the Tokyo again tonight. So yeah, timing, we always switch back and forth, dude. We have different styles. As you can tell, I really just have a support and resistance, 200 MA kind of strategy, looking for more momentum entry trades, right? And Ron's got use more RSI in there too with the 200. So pretty much same kind of style, guys. It's just we're trying to do as many sessions as we can to grow the channel. All right, so you'll see both of us on here and stuff like that. But guys, if you have any questions, we have the same kind of mentality for trading. So just let us know, because I know I'm probably going to see a lot of people next week from London sessions and different things like that. So you may not know who I am if you haven't watched some of the Tokyo videos and stuff like that. So we're always going to switch back and forth. Okay, guys, we're approaching here 1 minute and 48 seconds left. So keep this in mind. I'm going to tell you, okay, wait for the 2 p.m. candle to close, for the first candle to close. All right. If you're in any trades right now, I would close them. Okay, I would close them. Just me personally, because if this thing reverses, guys, you're good. If it's still in a sell, remember, we were originally in the sell from up here, okay? 1782. So it's good if you're still in there, but like I said, if you understand the risk, make sure you have your stop loss at break even so you're not willing to risk anything. Okay, so stop loss at break even. All right? Guys, what do you guys think? Pump or dump here? Check out US 30 for 1 second. Okay, US 30 is hovering right around the 200, okay? See, we have the push up, okay, so far. It's on ascending, but wait till the epic fall or the epic push, okay? I'm going to hold gold still, all right? Everyone says dump. Okay, guys, so the people who are in here at this area, 1782, you know what I mean? You're in good, you know what I mean? Potential, like, this is where we had it. You're in maybe up 10 pips, depending, okay? We have the epic battle of the pumps and dumps here, guys. Listen, this thing is firing off in 19 seconds, guys. Be careful trading, okay? For real, be careful trading. This is not for taking trades this session. This is for watching how FOMC works, okay? Keep this up, so watch. 4 seconds, guys. No movement just yet. Okay. Meetings are just starting to happen, guys. So we'll see what's actually going to happen here. All right. I'm boosting it up and it didn't even pump like that. Crazy. Remember I told you, I did say that sometimes it happens like that, sometimes it doesn't. So let's just wait and see. Let's check out US 30 here. Still, okay, getting a nice little potential hold on US 30. Okay. Let's see if it's going to pump. Gold forming 2. Okay, guys, so remember, if you're looking for any kind of entry, the sell was up here, all right? Now, if you're in there, like I said, it's still following that downtrend, but it's still potentially holding good support at this area, like I mentioned, okay? So if you're now looking for the buy, like I said, it starts to break here. We'll see if it's going to push. You can put it down to here, but wait and see if it's going to start to break through, guys, all right? That's what you're looking for. Wait and see if it's really going to push, and then touch this area right here, okay? So this took a little bit of time to close. Just wait for the first candle to close, guys. This is still the first candle. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. If you're waiting, okay, this is what's happening. There we go. Rejected, guys. Okay, wait. Let's see if they're going to push it down. Guys, if you took this, look to take some profits, okay? Look to take some profits, all right, because this thing might reverse and go bearish here, okay? We found the key zone, okay? We found the key support. Let's see if they're going to continue to pump it. If they push it past the 200, guys, this thing can push. That candle already, that right there, that's a 40 pip candle, okay? And it's pushing, guys. Look at this. Very bullish candle here. All right? That's why I'm saying if you're in any sells, look to take your profit. They usually reverse it, okay? So now they got rejected at the 200. We'll see if it's going to really push through here. All right, if it really pushes through, guys, we might get that nice little push. You know, we're looking for a retest here. I have these here just to show you before, but now I'm going to erase them. All right, what's going to happen is we need a break above here, maybe get rejected here, start to hold around this area right there, the 200. It's got to hold here. If it holds, it can continue to push up, okay? If it gets rejected, I'm telling you right now, okay, if it gets pushed up here and rejected, this thing can fall right back down, okay? The New Zealand sell-off and buy we caught, exactly same thing happened. It pumped and then it dumped and it pumped right away. Okay, so if this thing breaks the 200, it's got to close above. All right, that's why I kept moving this down, this stop loss. You know what I mean? So guys, if you did take this trade, all right, if you did take this trade, literally just take your stop loss, move it to break even. All right, it's a risk-free trade now. Okay, if you did, I told you to be patient on it. All right, this is still the first candle. Look at the volume in it, guys. Look at the volume. That candle right there, guys. That ran 55 pips. Okay, and it's running. If it starts to break above here and push down, like I said, it's got to hold right above that 1786.03 area. All right. Graylin, I want to see US 32. I want to see what's happening with it. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, US 30, guys, is starting to prime up as well. All right. So as you can see, this was charted on the 15, so it's a little higher, but it's starting to form the buy as well, okay? It broke through there, held support on the 200, and it's starting to work its way up. All right, your next possible opportunity, okay, if you're going to look for any kind of buying, guys, it's got to break above here. So use this yellow line. It's got to break and hold above this area, 35,322. If it holds, guys, it can definitely push higher. All right. If not, it's going to get rejected because you can see all this power rate, this zone right here. All right. So if it gets rejected there, guys, it's going to sell off even further. But it's looking very nice right now for a nice bull play. Okay. So if you want, move your stop loss up, guys. Okay. If you really want to, you can move it to break even. But this is having a nice push here. Okay. Guys, look, holy crap! Look at gold, guys. There we go. Look at gold. Look at gold, guys. Bullish. Look at this. Whoo! Yeah, boys. Wait for this candle to close, guys. 8 seconds here. There's going to be some kind of a pullback. All right, I'm telling you, they're going to push it down. Maybe test it around the 200. Okay, so keep that in mind. If they hold it here, it's still going to push. All right. If this thing breaks, guys, I'm looking for this area right here. Okay, guys. Right now, if you took this trade from there to there, that's 78 pips. Crazy, guys. Okay, so we got to have some good support to keep it going. Okay, it's looking good, guys. The next TP, guys, one key thing, okay, I'm gonna just personal advice for you. You know what I mean? This is not even like financial, because I said I'm not an advisor. Like, if you didn't get that, don't worry. Don't really counter trend right now. There's a lot of bullish momentum here. Just a suggestion for you, like, don't think this is going to go into a sell right away. It might eventually, okay, because you know what I mean? It's got it to here before. We can look right here, and you can see right in this area where all the sellers came in. But if this pushes up, guys, like hard, it can break through. But keep in mind, there's still an opportunity for this to sell off, okay? Chris, this one's for you from last night when we had the gold buy and it ended up reversing. Hopefully you banked on this one, my man. Okay, guys, this is nice. Let's check out US 30. Okay, so okay, guys, cool. US 30 is doing a nice movement here, all right? So what I mean by this is it's breaking above, all right? So you can see this previous support is now resistance, okay? So 35,330. They pushed it right up, okay? They opened it, they closed it. They opened it up, tried to push it back down. It's holding support here, okay? If it holds here, it can continue. If it breaks here, guys, look for it to start selling off and going back to the entry. Okay, it has a secondary support right at 35,321, but if it breaks through here, guys, it's coming right back down to the entry. So look to take some profits if you are in that US 30 trade. But again, maybe wait for the candle to close. There's still 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Wait till it closes and wait and see, okay? It still has a good push for a good opportunity to go to the upside, okay? So it's getting held up right at 35,322. And then if it holds here, guys, the next target will be 35,358, okay? So let's wait and see here. We'll check back on gold. Okay, so gold is doing the same thing. A little bit of indecision right now, okay? Little spinning top candle, but it's reversing, it's potentially reversing, guys. Okay, so it might come back down and touch this area right here. So you can see, unbelievable candle, okay? Push, now it might come back down and retest the 200, okay? I told you if it broke through here, it's going to have nice movement, and it did, okay? But we just got to wait and see if it's going to hold some support. I haven't drawn this one, and I do apologize about that. I'll do it right now. Right around 1787.04, you can see that's holding good areas of support. If we look to the left, guys, you can see that that's a previous area where they got rejected. Okay, so right here, you can see the top wicks. Sorry, guys, give me 1 second. Sometimes trading views are a little like that. So you can see that the top wicks right here are holding this good as support. All right, so let's just wait and see if it's going to break down or if it's going to hold here. Okay. So we waited for the first candle. Potential reversal area down here is not happening. Okay. Blair. Oh my God. I won the bet, B. I won the bet. Okay, guys. See what I'm saying? So it's going to sell off right to there. So let's wait and see what's going to happen, guys. I'm not looking for really. Just wait and see how this candle plays out because it's doing the similar thing as US 30. Okay. Where it's holding good support at 1787.04. Okay, and I did mention to you that it's going to probably come back down to that 200. Okay. If it breaks through here, guys, it's going to come down here. If it holds, we'll wait and see for the next movement. Okay. I'm not really looking for an overall sell like opportunity right now. I need it to break below the 200 first. Okay. And obviously, I need it to break below roughly 1785 area, 1785.25. Okay. But we made a nice high of 1790.54. Let's look at it on the hourly. Okay, so see, guys, it's a lot. It found good support at that. I mentioned this area was key, and that's hourly support at 1780. So, you know what I mean? And now they tried to push it up. They got rejected a similar wick at 1790.6. Okay, that's what I'm saying. But now it's just dabbling around. There's a lot of resistance here. There's a lot. Okay, but again, there's still a lot of buyers in there. See what I'm saying? New candles opening now. All right, we'll see if it's going to push because it's still making higher highs. Like this wick is higher than this wick right here. For it to continue, this For this to continue, let me get this arrow for a second. This has to push up, okay, and then and get higher than this wick right here for the continuation. All right. Okay, so see how we're getting some, they're closing it below here and they're holding good resistance at 1788. Okay, so like I said, let them get down to this area right here, maybe the 1786. Okay, if they break through 1787, okay? But this is good support, so let's just wait and see how this actually plays out. Let's check out that US 30 trade for 2 seconds. Okay, so US 30 is still holding good support. All right, so if it starts to sell off here, guys, like I said, look to take your profits. All right, we'll look for another potential opportunity for maybe another trade here if it really starts to sell off, okay? So that's what I mentioned. I told you roughly right around here to take profit, okay? Because look, now we're really selling off, guys, okay? So let's wait and see. We'll look to maybe catch it. It's right around the 200 too, so give me a second here for more of a confirmed entry, guys. Maybe break below 200. Okay, bear in mind with me here. So what I'm looking for here, okay, it pumped up, okay, found good support, you know what I mean here, boom, opened, now it's coming down and retesting here, okay, so if it breaks, guys, if it breaks down, you know what I mean, that's where I'm looking for that possible scalp opportunity here, okay. If it holds, guys, it's going to come back here and it's going to reverse, okay, so let's wait and see what's going to happen. It's actually it's at break even now, so when I've told you to take your profits, that's the reason why, okay. So now we're going to see what the next move is. If it holds support in this area, listen, if it holds support in this area, okay, around the 35,296, okay, what will happen then is it maybe will bounce back and then we can use the same parameters, okay, but not. It's looking like it's selling off, okay. So let's wait and see. Okay, see how it's finding good support here, guys? Trust me. We'll wait and see if it's going to fall here. If not, don't take that pre-entry. Okay, so she's falling down now. All right. All right, that's a lot of push. That's a lot of momentum there. That's a huge bearish candle. So let's see if it's going to start to fall. If it starts to really fall, guys, we can even get to down. Yep, there we go. I'm looking down here. Okay. So there's that US 30 sell. Okay. So guys, if you took that trade, you would be up 48 pips. Okay. I'm going to check gold for 2 seconds. Let's wait and see how US 30 kind of plays out here. Yeah, I told you gold, guys. Okay, gold is breaking down below that 200. Okay, guys, you know what? I'm going to leave gold for a second here, okay? If it gets below this area right here, okay, it can sell. All right, I'm going to be honest with you. Like roughly right around 1780.6, the initial bullish push, all right? If it gets below here, guys, it's going to sell, okay? So, because that will completely annul all of this bullish momentum here. I'll go right back to US 30. Two seconds here. Okay, so now, guys, what I'm looking for is, look, nice big pump, amazing pump, okay? Selling off here, all right? If it sells off, I'm looking for it to fall down here, retest this area again because it has before and even over here, and then maybe hold and push down again, okay? So let's wait and see. It might not happen right away, guys. Gold is finicky, okay? Keep that in mind, all right? But that's roughly the area right here. All right, for the opportunity. Right there. Okay, so let's go back on looking at US 30 trade for a second. Okay, guys, US 30 found. Okay, cool. Glad we caught this. So look, we caught that nice momentum. They're finding some support. Okay, let's see if they're going to continue it down. If not, guys, what I'm seeing here is maybe something like this forming. Okay, if not, it's going to break right through that. We'll wait and see. Okay, it is. Perfect, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Perfect. Okay, this is FOMC, guys, so you understand? This is FOMC with Stock Sniper trading, okay? So if you like what you see, guys, like I said, if you like what you see, just hit the like and subscribe button. Share the video. This thing I think is going to go really well. Thank you for that, subscriber. All right, if it starts to continue down, like I said, it'll keep falling, guys. That's the target. There we go. Overall target. Right there, guys. We're up now. We caught the buy, and now we're in the sell. This thing is up, guys. This thing is up 100 pips. Like, I'm not making it up. I wish I was. I'm sitting back here chilling. You know what I mean? And yeah, hopefully you guys banked. I know our group is going nuts right now. So, sorry. Okay, give me 1 second, bro. I see what you're saying there. I need glasses, man, and sometimes this chat is a little hard to see. Let me just check my app here, okay? I'm reading some of your guys' comments. Guys, we're in the trade. You can kind of chill. We'll watch for the reversal here. If this thing falls, guys, it's coming down here. Like if this thing blows there, it's coming right there. Okay. Dave, what about the FMC minutes? Brief a little bit about the news. Okay, we'll go back in the news in 1 second, but I want to see if this thing will. I want to see if this candle will engulf this this arrow here. Okay, let's just wait and see. Graylin, bro, I hope you caught on this one, man. You know what I mean? This was for you if you signed on. You know what I mean? We'll get you that L back, man. You know what I mean? Okay, so they're finding some support right down there, guys. Right at the top of that arrow at 35,153. Okay. Okay, I'm going to check gold for 1 second here. Okay, so gold found support, guys. So we're not looking for anything kind of a sell yet. We'll wait. It closed below the 200 though, okay? So keep that in mind. But like I said, 1782.17 is roughly the stop loss, and the entry could be 1780.75. If you're guys, if you're thinking this is going to be a buy again, you know what I mean? You can look at maybe doing another potential entry, okay, on like your own, but this is still a lot of selling pressure here, okay? So, and remember, you're under the 200, so the reason why I'm saying that is because what's in your head, like, like, are you looking for this type of thing right now, or are you just patiently waiting for the next bigger move? Because what I'm seeing is a lot of bottom wick right here just because of all these buyers. They push it in this zone right here. They push it in that zone, and you see they're starting to push it back up, okay? So let's wait and see what's actually going to happen. Is USD strong or weak? Let's find out. Look at what happened to the US dollar, guys. I had this consolidated for my group last night. This was my 4-hour DXY. Okay, as you can see, I'm telling you right now, I haven't even looked at DXY. Okay, I haven't looked at it today, but that's what happened at 2. Okay, 2 p.m. and then now we're starting to get the reversal. So it's starting to push back up into this consolidation area, this zone. Okay. Oh my God, look at US 30, guys. Okay, so it's still good. It's still starting to push up a little bit. Guys, if you're in this, okay, maybe look to secure some profits because this still can reverse. Okay. It's really indecision right now. So let's wait and see here. They don't always pump down and pump right back up, but this is a lot of opportunity here, okay? Guys, we just got 50 subscribers from last night, so huge thank you so much. Much love to all of you. Okay, so look at it, guys. They're starting. The buyers are starting to come in. All right, I'll show you how I like to trade this. Okay. Okay, if it's going to be any kind of a buy opportunity, I'm looking for something like this up here. And you're probably like, oh, why are you looking up there? You know what I mean? I know this guy who does it differently. Okay, well, I do it like this because I'm looking for it to break above this right here, 35,230. If it breaks above here and breaks above this wick, it's going to annul that downtrend. And it's going to turn it into possibly making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so we'll wait and see. It's still a lot of pressure for the sell guys. Like this is still going to sell off here. You know what I mean? Like this is the opportunity that I would look for. I don't just press buy. You know what I mean? Like that's something that if you're at market executing buys and sells just on like that, it's going to be tough. You know, it's going to be really tough for you to be, more consistent. Simply because when you market execute, your spreads, commissions, all that stuff come into play. But when you trade like this, guys, if you use buy stop orders, sell stops, this type of thing, you can be a little bit more consistent, and you can be a little less stressed. You know what I mean? Because if you entered in, say, like a buy now, you might have got filled right up here, and it started to sell off. So you're like, oh my gosh, I'm down. What do I do? And then you might quickly execute you might exit, but then it might buy. You know what I mean? But that's the thing where if we're looking for key breaks, retest confirmations, it's going to have you a little bit more, I think, consistent anyways than just market executing. Okay, so that's just a little tip for you. Okay, so let's go back to gold for a second here. Okay, so gold is still forming, guys. All right, so if gold breaks above here, okay, sorry, I'm not. Maybe a tighter stop loss if it breaks above here, guys, and you want to look to something like that. It's in an iffy area, okay? It's retesting the 200, okay? So leave it for now. Maybe if we get up in this area right around here, you can look for a potential buy, okay? But don't execute like automatically again, for real. This is the problem with people who are just starting out. They see one green candle and they just buy it, you know what I mean? And then this thing could sell off. Wait until it starts getting above the 200, okay? If you miss 1 or 2 pips, it's better than missing, you know what I mean? Or if you miss a trade completely, it's better than having a losing trade. So okay, but they're still forming a little bit of an uptrend here. You can see. So we'll see if they're going to hold it now or if it's going to fold down. Team Chief. Buddy. Chief. Buddy, Team Chief paid his rent on US 30. Oh my god. Okay, sorry guys. So look, now it's approaching here again. Ron, repost that in the FX group if you're on. Team Chief, my man. Okay, so sold off there. I'm going to erase that. Erasing this for now. Okay. So there's that US 30, guys. It's starting to approach that buying opportunity here. Let's wait and see if it's going to fall here. Okay. I'm going to put it right up in this area right here, guys. Okay, and you understand simply because of that wick. If it starts to break up here, that's a little bit more, I guess you could say, confirmed than entering right here because it could wick up again and hold that similar area and then fall. Okay. So if you want to see it, guys, it's right above here. It's right above that previous wick. I'm going to put it there just so you can see. Team Chief, bro. This guy gets me pumped. Okay, guys, see what I mean? They're getting some rejection here, okay? Let's see if they're going to continue that push or if it's going to pull back. All right? If this gets rejected here, guys, like this might be an opportunity for a continuation, you know what I mean, down here. So let's wait and see. I know it's a little bit ugly, and this charting is not as clean, guys, but this is like scalping, okay? Like it can get very ugly, very messy. Okay, guys, so give me 1 second here. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, bro. You know what I mean? Like, so you want it to start making, okay, you want confirmed higher highs, higher lows uptrend. Okay, so look, if you're looking for something up here, see that wick right there? If we're putting it right there, guys, we're getting some resistance already. So you might actually get head faked out. But if you put it above this wick right here, what you want is it to break, okay? A little bit higher here, then maybe retest this support, because guys, those two candles would then be support, okay? And then if it confirms and holds it, you can look for the trend. If it doesn't, guys, if this thing sells off, all right, then there's no trade. So just wait for it. If you, like I said, if you miss a couple pips here and there, it's not going to kill you. If it's anything, it's going to be better for you. But as you can see, it's, sorry guys, I'm trying to fight with this chart here. Areas for entry if it goes down, roughly right down here. If it starts to break below the 35,212 area, okay? All right, Graylin? If it breaks down here, like below, if it, see what I mean? They held support at it, but if it flips switches and it sells down, then you know what I mean? That's when you're looking for more of the sell, okay? Guys, so just wait on this candle for just maybe wait for the first one to close, see how the next one opens, okay? All right? Yeah, Graylin, no problem, dude. And message us, man. Message us in the group chat if you have anything, guys. Trust me, a lot of these red folders, there's a few of them a month. We're going to do this only for our members, guys. So, you know what I mean? If you have questions, ask us in there or ask us in the chat up here, you know? Chris Carter, my man. London represent, big man. Want to give out the shout out to Chris. Guy's got a wicked setup. Mad respect to him, and he's up 500 pips on US 30. Amazing, dude. That's huge. He's a trader. Good for you, man. Okay, guys, so remember, they're starting to get that top wick here, okay? So this might be good supportive, but it's got to start breaking here now, okay? So it's got to start to break 35,220, 263, okay, to start to move up here, okay? If it gets to here, guys, you know what I mean? You can start to maybe move your stop loss to break even, because we're scalping individual candles here, remember this. You know, like, this still has an opportunity to sell. It can get up right up to the entry here and then sell right off, but right now, if you took it, guys, you're up maybe, right now, 10 pips, 12 pips, okay, minus your spread and commission, so just be aware of that too, all right? Karish, 300 pip? Yeah, bro, that's huge, man. Holy crap, good for you. Congratulations, dude. Okay, let's go back on gold. There's that gold entry, guys. There's that gold re-entry. Look at that, broke above the 200 and consistently, guys. Guys, I hope you guys are having a good FOMC, you know what I mean? Like, if you're just watching it, watch it. But if you're entering in out, you know what I mean? We're catching pips here, guys, and we're not too many have had crazy reversals. They've been pretty good. Dan, ask in the group, okay? Ask the group that for Naz. I'm going to leave Naz alone for right now, okay? I have Blair, my moderator, or Ron. We'll, you know what I mean? We'll give you a little bit of insight on Naz, okay? How long does FOMO last? Good question, okay? You never want to chase highs. So if you're looking this right now, you're not looking to buy it, okay? If anything, no buying, okay? Because that's FOMO, fear of missing out, okay? If you're referring to FOMC, it just takes time for the news to develop. All right, so let's go back to the news here for a second here. Let's refresh the page. Okay, look, we had it's not released yet, but the previous folder was green, so they're still digesting what's happening here. Okay. Okay, so no, it hasn't been official yet. Like, they haven't released any data. It's still waiting, okay? So we just have to wait and see how it happened. But obviously, guys, we can see this by looking at the US dollar. It's starting to sell off, okay? This is my zone from the higher time frames, okay? So look, it sold off, and now it retraced, got rejected at 200, selling off again. That's why gold is in these buys, okay? For some reason, it's actually correlated right now. But look at this, guys. This is looking nice. Okay, so remember, guys, it got rejected here before. So if you're in this trade, guys, look to move your stop loss to break even. If you want to move it a little tighter, give it a little room to breathe if you don't get wicked down. But this trade is actually up 24 pips. Not bad. Okay, not bad. Okay, and then US 30 is still flipping in. It's still holding in that buy. So see how they push it up, guys? So this is that support. You know what I mean? This is that support I'm telling you about. They're holding good support at that 35,263 area, and now they're walking up. Okay? Hope everyone's having a good time. Guys, where's everyone from? Where's everyone from? We got 104 viewers here. I've been doing Tokyo sessions. I've been getting some crazy, countries, guys. Like, it's unbelievable how you guys are all tuning into, guys like us, Chris Carter, Ron, Blair, all us guys. We're Canadians, so when we hear you guys, where are you from? We want to know. It's cool. That's cool. Montreal, my man. There we go. I have to come there soon. Actually, I'll hit you up, dude. India tech. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go through it here. Crazy. Okay, guys, so I'm going to read this. I'm going to give you guys... Okay, first things first, see how they're getting rejected at the 200, guys. So this might be a little bit of a retest here. Okay, if this is going to sell off, guys, look to take your profits on US 30. That's a big rejection point at the 200, okay, before I talk to you guys about anything else. So it's really got to push through here, okay? So if it starts to sell back down, guys, the opportunity is still around this area down here, okay? If not, it's still bullish. All right? Let's check out gold. Gold is still looking nice, guys. All right. Okay, let's start with the love here. Okay. Chris Carter, Montreal. This guy drives a Lambo. Shout out to him. He's got a wicked setup. Thanks for joining in. Jay from India. Welcome, brother. Thank you so much. Jeremy James, New Zealand. That's crazy, man. Thank you so much for joining. Backer, UK London. Thank you so much, man. Hajat, Malaysia, thank you, bro, for signing in. That's crazy. Jeremy, let's go. Jay Seals, Toronto, man, represent. We're right near there. Praveen, India. Karishi, India, guys, that's crazy. Hope you guys are having a good session here. Ray, Texas. We got Hamat, UK. Whoa, thank you so much. Abraham, Nambia, that's crazy, man. Hope everything's going good over there, dude. Mania, Kenya. Oh, sick. Thanks for joining in, guys. That's crazy. Emmanuel, Italy. Insane. FX Cartel. Durban, South Africa. Absolutely, man. Thank you. Slim Boy, South Africa in the house, guys. Guys, it's crazy. We actually get a lot of people from South Africa on the call. It's crazy. You guys love Forex, and that's why we want you part of this, guys. We're going to hook you up here, okay? Jeremy, you're in lockdown. Oh, no, man. That sucks. Are you in Australia? Oh, no, you told me you're in... sorry, give me one sec here. Yeah. New Zealand, sorry. Yeah, you're in lockdown in New Zealand. That's crazy, man. Hopefully it won't last too soon, but I know it's some crazy stuff going over there. Okay, we have... bro, if I mess up your name, I'm sorry. Sebastian, India, welcome. Firesome, Philippines. Shout out to you, bro. That's crazy. Traveling, Texas. Everything's bigger in Texas, my man. Kersheen, India. Yes, a fact. We have Pakistan. Welcome, brother. Thank you. Alex, Romania. Wow, bro, that's crazy. Thank you for joining in all the way over there. Sheldy Boy, Dubai. Mad respect, guys. Thank you so much. Samurai Brooklyn in the house. Guy, I want to give a shout out to Samurai. This guy is on every single call. He acts as a moderator. Guys, he drops good knowledge. Okay, so I just want to give a shout out to you for literally being on every single call, man. Thank you so much. All right. Karishi, no problem, bro. I want to try to give everyone a shout out here. You guys deserve this. If you guys are spending your time here, I at least want to give you some kind of love back, all right? Bluria, USA, absolutely, man. Okay, we have Jess and Rico, Nambia. Wow. Thank you, guys. That's crazy. Saru, love from India. Love from Canada, bro. Represent. Davidson in Haiti. I'm David from Canada. Welcome, brother. Thank you. Gerald, Singapore. Wow, man, this is crazy. Hulk Smash. I like your name, bro, for sure. I love working out, okay? From Tahiti, all right? Grayland, Charlotte. Absolutely, man. Shane, Montreal. Yeah, bro. I know you brought Chris in, so thank you so much. Okay. The Big G, Virgin Islands. Wow, guys, getting some crazy people here. Numi, South Africa. Holy crap. Davidson, Haiti hitting strong. Oh man, you're getting hit by an earthquake, guys. Guys, hold on 1 second here. I know we're streaming live, but Davidson, guys, Haiti's getting hit strong by an earthquake. Let's send this guy some love, you know what I mean? Because we never know, anything can happen. But I want to send some love and prayer for everyone in Haiti right now. It's for real. I hope everything is okay, man. I hope you're all right. All right. And Kit, India, Naveen, India. Wow, guys, crazy. Orlando, Pierre. Yes, man. I was supposed to come down there, but the borders won't open up. All right. Petria, Romania. Absolutely crazy, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back on gold looking at this for 2 seconds. Okay, I'll shut up. Don't worry, I'll be back. If gold starts to break, it needs to break 1789, guys. Okay, it needs to break 1789. So this area up here for any kind of continuation. All right, it's got to break this area right here. Right up here, and then it's got to retest, and then we can get a continuation. Okay, so let me look at US 30 for 2 seconds here. Okay, so there's US 30 still, guys. It's getting rejected. Okay, remember I told you at that 200. Let's wait and see. There's going to be another candle opening in a few minutes, so we'll see how this one's going to hold up, okay? I'm going to just erase that. But again, look to take some profits and partials on US 30, okay? Go back to gold here. If gold, guys, okay, so this is doing the same thing. If gold sells off, guys, it's going to come back, so please look to take your profits, okay? If it holds there, that's the only way it's going to move, but gold can potentially come back and retest that 200, okay? I'm just being real with you, so understand that. If you're in that gold buy, look to take your profits, okay? All right, Beauty Forever, Kuwait, shout out, man, huge. Love from India, Suru, thank you so much, bro. BBU, South Africans know Ref Wayne. Bro, I follow Ref Wayne. I learned a lot of strategy from Ref Wayne, man. That guy is a gangster over there, for real. Shout out to Ref Wayne, for real. If this guy gives us love somehow, I don't know, but he is a gangster. One of the best Forex traders I've ever seen in my life, okay? Andrew Jackson, Las Vegas. Absolutely, bro. I was going to go there too this year, but didn't make it. Epic Baba, India. Shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I know you are for real, and you bring a lot of members in here to join, so thank you so much, man. Mad love. All right. Alpha Nopio, Portugal. That's crazy. Thank you so much, man. MS, bro. Albania, represent. Thank you for joining, man. My partner Ron is from Albania. I know he really wants to do some great things for the Albanian country. You understand? So represent, and thank you so much for joining, okay? FX Cartel, bro, you're on every live, man, and you're all in blues. Your name is FX Cartel Blues, so I know you're on every call, okay? Bad Boy Gaming, India, thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that. Welcome to the channel. Samurai FX, guys, for real. Stepped up our game too. US, bro, Cartel, I told you, you're in blues all the time. Mass Bray, Indonesia, guys, that's crazy, okay? Oh my God, there's so many people, man. Hamid, Iran, preach love, much love from Haiti. Absolutely, guys. Let's focus now. I get a little bit excited. I'm focused because, like, I know it's still in bias, okay? I know it's still opportunity for up here. Okay, so the US 31, like I mentioned to you. Okay, see what I'm saying now? That's why I said look to take your profits, guys. Wait and see if it's going to get a bounce, all right? So this is the overall entry, guys, where if you're looking, like if you haven't taken your profits yet, this is the overall exit that you would want to take, okay? For real. All right, perfect, guys. Sorry I had to go through my spiel, guys. I just wanted to give everyone a shout out. I know you're here to trade, but everyone who joins on is part of it, you know what I mean? So I wanted to give you guys shout outs. Okay, if you don't like that, then you know what I mean, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to give everyone love. All right? So now, guys, we're starting to form potentially like a double. We'll wait and see here, okay? See how we're getting rejected? Right at this, all these wicks right here, okay? All these wicks, their top wicks are getting rejected. This could be a nice little area, 1790, 1791, where it's going to start to maybe sell off here, okay? It's still got to get past this overall uptrend, all right, and this zone right here, okay, because a lot of times it's sold off, held support, and then it's pushed back up, okay? All right. If it starts to break below here again, the 200, we'll look for a sell. Okay, but for right now, guys, it's still pretty good. All right, that is. Let me look at that. So see that candle right there? Buyers push it up, sellers push it down. Big volume in the bottom. Okay, a lot of bearish momentum in that candle. All right, so let's wait and see. Anything, guys, that's looking down here, similarly to where we had before. Okay, I'm looking for the break below the 200. If it's not going to break the 200 area, I'm not looking to maybe take this trade. Okay, or even look for the setup. Okay, and guys, remember, I'm not telling you to take these trades, saying you have to. This is just, we're setting up some charting for how, you know what I mean, new traders look to trade. If you're not new, you know what I mean, and you already know this, then you can, you know, obviously enter in at your own will and do your own analysis. But these are for people who haven't seen one FOMC and pretty much how to trade it. Okay. But what I see, guys, is a lot of opportunity for both buying and selling here. Okay. Okay. So let's just see if it's going to be. If they're going to buy here, guys, if there's going to be a continuation, 1788.24, it's got to break above there. Okay. Alex, no intention being mean, but all these trades you're showing, these pips, profits you claim, no ordinary trader take those. No, not a lot of people would take them. And to be honest with you, Alex, like I told you before the call, this one right there, we're just showing it to show it, okay? I'm saying, guys, there are people who took these trades. Like I'm telling you right now, they're in the group, okay? So not every trade you have to take. I'm showing you potential setups. So Alex, I agree with you. You know what I mean? Not everyone will maybe take this trade. All right, and not everyone are going to be based on impulse candles, but if you do realize where we have the entries, all right, is pretty much where they enter and they do run. Okay, so like I said, this is all based on how you want to trade, but there is a lot of different ways of how to trading. If you want to break for confirmation with retest, if you really look at this, okay, this trade overall pushed up here, okay, got rejected below the 200, started to hold all this support right here in the uptrend. As soon as it broke right there, this zone, okay, it pushed up, guys. You know what I mean? It pushed up right here. It's selling off. Now it's at the original zone that it pushed through, and now it's still making potentially higher highs, okay, because this overall 5-minute uptrend, all right? So absolutely not. Some people may not take all these trades, absolutely. But again, we're showing you the opportunity that if you are scalping, how trades could pop up, all right? Okay, so US 30, guys, I told you it's selling off, all right? So that trade would have been done. Okay, we'll leave it like that for now. Okay, so that would have, if you didn't take it, guys, I was telling you, look to take your profit. If you did take it, if not, if you're just trading demo, you know what I mean? Just wait. But that bearish engulfing candlestick right there started that downtrend, okay? So let's just wait and see if we're looking at maybe something down here. Similarly to fall, okay? But again, look, there's a lot of bottom wick there, so let's just wait and see how this is going to play out. If it starts to break down below here, yeah, maybe you can look for some sort of opportunity, but it's the overall break is right here, guys, this area. This is key, okay? This is key. Yeah, Alex, bro, that's a good question. You know, like some people might, I don't want people to join on this channel thinking we're trading and hitting all these trades, like all these trades. I'm showing you something that if you like it in your own trading strategy, or if you're new, you can just watch it. This video, guys, the reason why I did this live was to show news folders drop. Okay, that's the only reason why I wanted to do it, to show you guys the opportunity that if once you start trading more and you understand it, you know, possibly learn how to chart with scalping. And I just wanted to show you the overall live news release. Okay, so maybe let's check that again for a second here. Let's just check this for 2 seconds. Okay, so F is not dropped yet, okay? But Alex, bro, I just want you to see for a second. We just got a comment here. If you look down, okay, it says Bad Boy Gaming. Bro, I just flipped my 1K to 3K, okay? So Alex, you know what I mean? Like, I know it's tough because some people may not always want to take the trades because you may be getting used to us, or you may be getting used to the channel, right? But if you do, and you know you're a trader, you can start to spot key things that we're looking for too, right? So just keep that in mind, dude. But that's a really good question, and I think I needed to answer that for maybe a lot of people who are wondering, like, are you taking all these trades, this, that? I took 2 gold buys, okay, and then I've just been talking to you guys and doing this. But again, now we're getting back to business. Okay, if it's going to start to sell down here, guys, we need this area to start to break. Okay, so if anything, okay, sorry, any kind of breakdown, guys, this is what we maybe look for down here. Okay, all right, so that will be the stop loss if it starts to sell off even more. Cool. But Alex, that's the real question, and I needed someone to ask that for real, because me and Ron, we're here to just do free technical and fundamental analysis for you. Okay, I don't want to be that buy and sell type of guy. Like, there's great traders who do that, like for real, like amazing. Okay, I don't want to always be like a signal trader. You know what I mean? We just want to show you live charting and promote our live trading and that kind of thing. So, and I've seen you on a few calls, so I know you're starting to understand a little bit more. Okay. Okay, so we're just waiting here, guys. But I want to give a shout out to Bad Boy Gaming. Okay. I'm going to post this in the free FX group, okay, guys. So one thing, keep in mind too. I know I have just a sell here, but if US 30 starts to break above here, you know what I mean. It can still be buying opportunity, because what I can see forming is like a little bit of maybe a neckline break if it's going to be a W pattern. You know what I mean? Like, look right here. Imagine this, guys. Listen, imagine, because we know we had buyers up here. Imagine if it's sold here, bounced. There's the neckline, held support here, and then it starts to make it above here, and then we get maybe a breakout. Okay, there's a lot of, I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm saying that it could form that. Okay, so okay, we'll go back and gold for a second. Okay, there's gold too. I was talking, guys. So remember when I told you look to take your profit? We're looking down here. Okay, I'm just gonna move this over so you can see a little more clearly. The green is a little bit blurry sometimes. Okay. Okay, guys, 1 second. I'm going to post another thing in the free group. This is from the group. This is from here. The live call. This is from Bad Boy Gaming. Okay, so he flipped his 1K account to 3K, and his 26 to 58 cents. I'm assuming, or $28 to 58. So shout out to him, man. All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to go till 3, all right? And then we're going to, you know what I mean? I'm going to stream later on tonight at Tokyo session, okay? Guys, listen, members, don't worry. You're going to get a lot more red folders here. We just wanted to show you guys what we do. I wanted to show you guys what red folder news is. But it's definitely something to, you know what I mean, to be careful of with trading, because if you remember, you were in that sell, guys. I kept moving that support down, and it found good support there, and then it broke right back up. Okay, there's a reason why I did that, and then it's still been bullish. Found a second re-entry potential here, rejected. Okay, and then now we're looking for potential selling. All right, let's check out the US 30 for 2 seconds here. Okay, so it's still holding good support right there before looking for any kind of re-entry. All right, and guys, give me like 2 seconds. Like, I know I'm talking to you and stuff like that, but guys, check out www.stocksnipertrading.com. Okay, it's our website. You can check it out. The first thing I suggest is just scroll down to the bottom if you haven't checked this out before. Guys, if you want, join our newsletter. Okay, I'm not going to send you anything to try to like indicators or buying anything like that. We don't even have that. Okay, I'm just going to send you some blogs of like trade recaps and some different trading information here. So for example, double bottom breakout at market open on US 30. Okay, so we explain ABCD, and then we break it down here, and then obviously we show the video. That was me. Ron has a bunch of these blogs too with videos in it, so you can check us out. And then if you guys are interested, you know what I mean, you can check out our mentorship program, where we have a 52-week course. We do live webinars pretty much every week. We have scalping sessions, and obviously a lot of back-end website content. So guys, one last thing, make sure you pay it forward too. Like, that's why we do a lot of the YouTube stuff for free. We just want to give back to you guys. Okay, so thanks for listening for my 2 minutes there. So let's get back to this US 30 for a second. Riff, my man. This guy stayed with me all night. He's back. That's crazy, dude. People at work trading, guys. That's crazy. Okay, so this is US 30, guys. Let's check out gold here. Okay, gold is starting to fall. All right. I'm not entering anything until it gets below 200. It's still in that iffy area for me. I'm just waiting. Okay. And that's what you should be doing too. Okay. If we don't get any more trades for today, guys, like for real, I'm okay with that. We did have two nice breaks. You know what I mean? If you're more experienced trader, you may have caught those. If you're not, you know what I mean? You just learned what FOMC can do and how it reacts in the market. Okay. Hujat, thank you so much, dude. Shout out to you, bro. I know you just signed up for our team. Thank you so much. Make sure to join the group chat. We have a lot of the other team in there already chatting, so it's definitely appreciative, man. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stay for 9 more minutes. 1 hour, a little hour and a little bit, and yeah, I'll be going live tonight, though, guys. I want you to understand that. I'll be roughly around 9. Okay, we're gonna trade gold. We're going to leave US 30 out. We're going to trade gold, NASDAQ, okay? And then we're going to do New Zealand USD. Actually, no, guys. What we're going to do, I'm going to show you. We're going to trade the Australian, the 930 news, okay? So the AUD, okay? The employment and unemployment. Tonight's going to be a big one for odd, okay? So we'll do those. We'll do a couple pairs on odd because there's news, okay? And then we'll do a little bit of our commodities, all right? So, guys, is there any questions? Is there any questions you guys have for me? Alex had a good one. Uh, you know what I mean? He said, a lot of these trades some people won't take because they're impulse. Yeah, absolutely. Some people not take them, but some people will, as you can tell. Some people flip their accounts. Some people did well. Okay, so you know what I mean? If there's any other questions, just let me know. What's your plan? My plan for like tonight, I'm gonna trade live, like I told you, those pairs and stuff like that. And my plan is to continue streaming live for you guys, and obviously running the trade business. So it's good. It's good. Yeah, Aussie fireworks tonight, guys. We're gonna have some good movement here. Okay, let's check with that US 30 here for a sec. Okay, so US 30 dipped in a little bit, but obviously it's pushing back up. Don't enter in right now, guys. We got to get more volume filling into that area. Okay, more volume. Kamal, thank you for joining, bro. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. How long effective FOMC? Okay, so this can range for definitely a couple hours after the market, but when you're coming up at 3, guys, you got to remember that's like power hour, so that's when the markets are getting ready to like close. So you might get a nice little movement coming in on there as well. I'm gonna end the call, so yeah, we'll resume tonight. Okay, quick little hour, quick little stream. So, oh, by the way, is it tonight? Is it today? I think we have a sniper power hour for our members. Okay, so you'll notice I'm not chatting here. Okay, my partner Ron and we got our admin Blair. Our homies. We're gonna be doing a power hour for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna be scalping from 3 to 4. Okay. Riz, New Zealand. Bro, I'll check it tonight for you, okay? I'll check it tonight. We'll do that tonight. XAU buy or sell? I'm not about to forecast anything right now because the news is still developing, okay? All right. Join us tonight and you'll see we'll get some scalps, okay? So what time are we always on? We do bonus London sessions, we do New York, we do Tokyo, and then obviously we do pop-up red folders, as you can tell, okay? You're the best too, bro. Thank you so much for always joining on my call, man. Mad respect to you. Okay? Erwin, thank you, bro. I appreciate that. No, Neverest, no. We don't. We're not a signal group, bro. Like, I don't even like that word. Like it's not something I want to just throw around there. If anything, we show you more trade setups, more trade ideas. Similar to this. Like we'll have this on like maybe an hour, 15-minute, 2-hour time frame. I did GJ on the 4-hour. Okay. So I had GJ on the 4-hour, guys. If you wanted to look, I'll show you a quick. This is the setup that I had. Okay, so it obviously reversed. Okay, but it broke through the neckline here, right? I'll show you. So I looked at the overall high time frame here. Boom. Okay, neckline area made a high. This is the area it did. So this is where roughly I mentioned the trade setup opportunity, and then it dropped. Okay, so that drop alone, if you were looking at GJ, and we scalped in and out of it on our live calls too. Okay, that thing ran 80 pips, and obviously then it ran 80 pips on the buy. But those are the types of things that we give out, guys. It's nothing like signals like I don't want to be called that. It's not something I want to be known for. Okay, so I hope you can understand that, and we're trying to do things a little different here, okay? What levels? What's power hour? Chris, power hour is basically like the market close 3 to 4. You're going to see like bigger movements in for the indices and potentially gold, okay? So Pierre, thank you, bro, for joining. Okay, guys, but it's 3 minutes left. I'm going to stay for 4 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. The gold opportunity is down here. Okay, it's got to break below the 200. If not, it could bounce. All right. But guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for joining on our call. You know what I mean? Means a lot to us. We just added 20 subs in this call alone, so we're growing fast, guys. So I just wanted to say thank you to all of you. I know I did a huge spiel before, right? So my man Chris just grabbed 2,000 pips. Okay, like, this guy's unbelievable, man, and he's joining on our calls. So thank you very much, guys. And yeah, so check us out tonight, guys. 9 p.m. Okay, rough start. Like and subscribe, and get notified. Okay. Pierre, yes, we do take swing trades, man. That GJ one I showed you was a 4-hour, so that was a swing trade. Okay, it still has opportunity to reverse down, but I just got to update it for the group. So. But okay, guys, well, thank you so much for joining. Like I said, join us tonight at 9, and then tomorrow we'll be doing it again. Tomorrow we might do London, and then we might do New York. Ron caught over, it was a ton of pips this morning, okay? So, Rebecca, yeah, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? So, okay, guys, mad love, mad respect. I hope everyone's doing good in the world. I know there's a lot of people out here from different countries and stuff. We're blessed to be in Canada right now, but I know a lot of people are out there. It's not easy, but I just want to say thank you for joining on our calls and showing us the love. We really appreciate it. We're here to change the world. That sounds weird, but we're really trying to give back. And I just want to say thank you for everyone to join. And I know Ron feels the same. So God bless to everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful call, but I'm going to end it now. So check us out tonight, 9 p.m. EST. Members, 3 to 4 p.m. Sniper Power Hour, okay?